Lessons to all, man. You came here. Let's get straight to it. I'm gonna give you a little bit about me. First of all, I want to thank you for joining my course. Right. Let me just give you a quick intro to me and some of those that's new to me wondering who I am. Right. I'm Marley G, aka known as Marley G. I'm number one, first, a child of God. I'm a student of life, an entrepreneur, a father. Right. And we're not gonna get too deep into that because you're not really here for none of that because you want to make money, and who don't want to make money? We want to get straight to the point, right? So that's your goal. And my goal is to break this down as fast as possible and as simple as possible to allow you to start making money. And why not? We all want to make money, and we all need to. As a people, we need to. The people we need to be able to help grow each other financially because let's keep it real. Finance is the number one reason why we may be losing in this game. I'm not going to go on into a ramble. I know I said that. All right. But first of all, I want to tell you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. If you're seeking financial advice, you should see a financial advisor. I'm just simply a person that just like making money from my mind and, not working. And I think, I don't know if that's what you want to do, but it's what we here to do, man. So now that we got all of that boring stuff out the way, right? Let's start taking the steps to making this money. You dig, right? So there are like many platforms that we could use to be able to trade stocks, bonds, ETFs. But for this course, we'll be using two. And first thing that I want you to do is that I would like you to sign up for these two platforms. And we would use these two platforms as our arsenal to just get ready to go to war and start blamming off on them, right? And start making this money, you dig? So the first platform is Fidelity. The second is Robinhood. You may have heard of these before. If you haven't, let's go through this and we're going to get this going. So first, let's take a look at Fidelity, right? What we will be using Fidelity as, they have a service, a tool on there called Fidelity Active Trader Pro, which we will be going through a little bit of the Fidelity website to use their Active Trader Pro so that we can be able to make the best accurate decisions on when we want to enter and exit a trade, right? And we'll be able to do those trades on Robinhood. You can also trade on Fidelity. Let's just take our time here and let's just go straight to Fidelity. So we would like to set up a brokerage account on Fidelity. Simple. It's not hard. Let's walk through it. Take your time. Let's just get it done. You dig? All right. So sign up for a brokerage account, right? Again, Fidelity, it allows you to trade stocks and bonds and options. You can set up retirement IRAs, Roth IRAs. There are different retirement options. They have benefits like free trades, index funds, zero commission, ETF stocks, right? You can also get fractional shares. They have 24-hour service, customer support, right? So that's just a little bit about Fidelity. So let's get into it. Search fidelity.com, right? I would like you to do that. Then click onto the homepage. So now as you click onto the homepage, you'll realize at the top of the page, right, you can click open an account. There are many types of accounts that we can open, as I kind of went over just now. You'll be able to see that. But today we're focusing on opening a brokerage account, right? So now as you scroll down a bit, you can read through the investments and the services tabs that, they provide you, which offer things like, ETF, stocks, options, which we'll get into that on a later course. Account benefits that tab is, which is the next tab over, they have things like Fidelity Active Trader Pro, which is what we will be getting, right? And we'll be using that to help us make accurate decisions, like I said before, to get in and out of trades. We'll get into all of that after, we set up our account, Yeah, all that'll be the fun, that'll be all the fun stuff. So moving forward, right? Click onto open a brokerage account, right? Then you would need to click onto the individual, right? You'll see click onto individual, then press next. We'll go through this relatively fast. It's just to get it going. Then you'll be asked if you're a new customer, like I'm assuming that you are. Fill out your name, your address, email address, and now here comes obviously the nosy part. Right? They want you all your personal information, right? Just fill all of that stuff out. It's self-explanatory. I'm not really gonna dive too deep into that because I definitely know that you can put in your personal information, right? After you set up your account, right? We wanna get and download Active Trader Pro. This right here, this is the Tommy gun. You feel me? This is the blammer. This is the thing that gets us where we need to. It gets the job done. You know what I'm saying? Ain't playing. We got mad tools, mad bullets to use that to let us make our best choice decision to get in and out of the trade. So remember, Active Trader Pro. This is why we here, right? You want to definitely go from the tab from your home page, right? Under accounts, there's accounts and trades, sorry about that, and click on Active Trader Pro, right? You're more than welcome to read through what they have to offer, and just go through it. Take your time. This is something that we're doing for the rest of our lives. So let's just get to it, right? After you have done so, you want to click Active Trader Pro and download it to your Mac or PC. You want to download all of that. And once we have all of that squared away, man, like we're on that much closer to step to making this shmoney, right? All right, so once we finish with Fidelity now, right, we want to open up Robinhood, right? So you can do that from your phone, your laptop, whichever best works for you. You want to fill out your personal information, all of your information. They ask you simple questions about your experience on investing, and we want to be approved for the account. So we want to choose the best answers that fit our plan on investing, such as we plan on investing for like 7 years and beyond, which is because we want to keep making money for the rest of our lives. So let's go in there with the attitude like, yeah, this is what we do. We've been doing this and we're ready to make this money. Because let's put it like this. You've been investing your whole life anyway, right? So make the best choices, to choose the best answers to allow you to get onto, Robinhood. Once we have Robinhood and Active Trader set in place, we're ready to start getting things moving. We'll be using Active Trader Pro, like I said, as our tools to make the best decision for our trades, and Robinhood to make our purchases. You can purchase on Fidelity also, but right now you can do the same thing with Fidelity on Robinhood. But we're gonna go through with Robinhood because I'll explain that in a little bit, right? The reason why is, there's two different platforms, and some are, a bit faster than others. Give you an example. Some are flexible with, more flexible with the money settling, right? Before and after trades. Like, so with Fidelity, they give you 2 days for your money to settle before and after a trade. So when you purchase a trade, it takes, once you sell a stock, it takes 2 days for the money to settle. So now if you actually purchase another stock while within the same time of you selling another stock, you have to wait 2 days for the money to actually settle. Otherwise, you'll be in a good faith violation, and you don't want to be in a good faith violation because you don't want your account to be locked for 90 days. We want to keep making money, and we want to money. We just want to get this money. That's just basically it. So Robinhood allows us to make trades in and out faster. The money settles a lot faster. This is why we're doing Robinhood and Fidelity, right? Don't want to bore you too much, right? I just want to be able to get you started with the arsenal of things that we just need to just keep going, right? So Robinhood, it allows you 3-day trades. In the next episode, I'll start breaking down all the different terminologies, because we have to start understanding the new language, the new words of the stock market, right? So day trades is simply just buying a stock and selling it within that same day. So Robinhood allows you 3-day trades within a 5-day period before you get locked out, and you're able to track down your day trades, which we're going to talk about that, and be able to track down so you don't get locked out, right? So that's why we're going to be using Robinhood right now. And you don't want to be considered a patent trader. That's what that is in Robinhood. If you go over 3-day trades within 5 days, they consider that to be a patent day trader, and you can get locked out of your account for 90 days. We don't want to get locked out of that account. You dig? Right? All right, so let's take a look at Robinhood at the bottom of the page, right? You'll see that there's a headshot icon. You click onto that icon, and it'll bring you to a page that will give you information such like free stocks, other tabs, invest in, transfer statements, settings, and help, right? So free stocks allow you to invite friends and get free stocks from inviting other people, right? Investing is where you want to go. So kindly scroll down and enable options trading. And it allows us to get contracts of 100 shares at a discounted price, which we plan to sell for a profit. We will have the right to own it, but not obligated to purchase those 100 shares. We'll dive a little bit deeper into the next episode, right? First, I'd like for you to understand where we will be able to monitor our day trades, so that we don't get locked out of our account. And sometimes we'll be making, sometimes it's like we'll just be making money so fast, but we need to be able to track down where it is, and we need to be able to understand where it is. So they give us a chart to understand a chart to track our day trades, right? You will see a chart which shows us how many day trades that we made. Some phones, it may not show you the circles as you may see on mine. I'm just giving you an example to allow you to see what the tally marks, let's just call it, for the day trades, right? The actions of the day trade. But they may show some numbers, right? Until you make a day trade, then you will see the circles. Like I said, if you don't know, day trade is the action of purchasing and selling a stock within the same day. You're only allowed to do that 3 times within a 5-day period. Go over that, you're gonna be locked out for 90 days. You don't want to do that. So I'm gonna recommend for you, if you not, if you know you be messing up, swiping away, clicking, because all that swiping and all that stuff get a little bit addictive. Just only do like 2 day trades in a 5-day market period, right? And that's just how we gonna get that going. So now, back when we click the headshot icon, we'll see transfers. Transfers is where we'll be able to transfer money from our bank account and also transfer money to our bank account. You want to link all your bank accounts, and let's just start getting this thing going, start making money. you made it this far right now, just setting up your Fidelity and your Robinhood account, and let's just give yourself a round of applause, right? Because listen, every step towards the process deserves recognition, man. This is gonna be a fun journey. Let's do this. Tune into the next episode as I'll start breaking down the terminology of new words that the stock market has for us to understand what we're getting into, and we'll dive into Active Trader Pro and how we'll utilize our arsenals, the bullets, to start blamming off. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So thanks for watching this one. Move on to the next one if you're ready. I would be upset at myself if I don't spread the information about my clothing line. I have the winning season here. We have things for the females, the men, hoodies, bikinis, all these different styles. Pan Afro line that was inspired by Marcus Garvey. We could jump through just by the different tabs. We have a bunch of different things for you to check. Sweaters is getting cold out there, so I even got the fuck COVID, trust God. Get it, like it, support it. I love you. Let's go.